Most people never think about this, but God feels, God hurts, God loves deeply, and He grieves deeply. And the Bible uses one of the strongest emotions we know, the pain of adultery, to show us what it feels like when His people run after the world. God uses the emotions we feel so we can understand the emotions He feels. He calls us His bride, His beloved, His chosen people. But when we chase the world, when we chase lust, idols, money, fame, or sin, God calls it spiritual adultery, not because He hates us, but because He loves us with a love deeper than any human relationship. If you've ever been betrayed, if someone you love stepped out on you, then you know that pain, that heartbreak, that emptiness, that wound that goes all the way to the soul. And God says, that's how I feel when my people leave me for the world. The Bible doesn't hide it. God says it plainly. In Jeremiah, He calls His people a wife who left her husband. In Hosea, He tells the prophet, go marry a woman who will be unfaithful, because that's what my people have done to me. In James chapter 4, God calls believers who love the world, you adulterers. This is not anger from a tyrant. This is the broken heart of a loving husband whose bride keeps running away. God created sex as a covenant bond, a one flesh union, something holy, something sacred. But when we sleep around, when we give our bodies to people we're not in covenant with, we are forming soul ties. We are creating one flesh bonds, and we are breaking God's heart. Just like a spouse who cries over betrayal, God cries over us when we say we love Him, but give our hearts to the world. But here's the good news, and it's the most powerful part. Even when we cheat on God with the world, He doesn't throw us away. He doesn't stop loving us. He doesn't abandon us. God says in Hosea 14:4, I will heal their backsliding. I will love them freely. God is not just a hurt husband. He is a restoring husband, a forgiving husband, a redeeming husband. Maybe you've been sleeping around with the world. Maybe your heart has drifted. Maybe you've given pieces of yourself to things and people who were never meant to carry your soul. Today, God is calling you back, not with anger, but with love, with open arms, with forgiveness, with healing. You are God's bride. You belong to Him, and He's calling you home today. If this message touched you, hit subscribe, leave a comment, and share this with somebody who needs to understand the heart of God. Welcome back home. God still loves you.